Camera glasses on. Engage.
Rocket motors, check. Hell yeah.
All right, guys, so we're going to talk about burnouts and actually how I do them. There's a ton of people out there that know how to do burnouts, and there's quite a few people that maybe never tried it before and are looking for a little helpful guidance. And so I'm going to take you through the process of what it is that I do, and then hopefully this kind of helps you out. Now, first off, before I jump into exactly what I do, I just want to say that if you're really looking to do a lot of burnouts, you're going to want to get one of these. It's called the Tazer, and it's by ZAutomotive. And there's a feature in there called Line Lock. And what Line Lock does is it basically locks up your front wheels. So your brakes are on the front working and the backs are not. So when you're doing your burnout, your brake pads are not frying up when you're doing the burnout. So, you know, that line lock feature is going to help you in the long run. It took me a while to get this thing. And, you know, the reason why is because I don't really do that many burnouts to begin with. So, but either which way, from this point on, every one of my burnouts will have line lock. So, with that being said, the first step that I do is put the car in sport mode. Okay, and once it's in sport mode, then I hold the traction control for, it's about 10 to 15 seconds down. And what that's going to do is it's pretty much going to shut off all traction control, or as much as the computer is going to allow you. Then I actually turn my trusty little pedal commander on, because that is probably one of the best features about the pedal commander. It will make burnouts, peel outs, everything as easy as breathing. So the combination of sport mode, traction control completely off, and then pedal commander on sport plus ×4 will give me a really healthy size burnout every single time. And anybody that is really going to do this on a frequent basis, definitely look into this, okay? This is going to save you a lot of heartache down the road. So there you go, guys.